Hi guys, I'm Jomar from the Philippines, but we live here in Japan. I just want to share with you my experience here in Ecopia. I joined here last year of December until now, but I'm still doing it as part-time because I have my regular job here in Japan. You know what? For the past 3 months, I already experienced, receiving commission every week without fail, and I already earned a total of 1,900 US dollar for my 9 weeks, commission. So, and some of my commission I already got it through this Payoneer Mastercard provided by Neocopia. Guys, just give it a try. Before I also, have these doubts and not believing in this company, but for me, I need to take action to prove this company if this is really true, if this is not a scam. And you know what? It's been already tested by me and other members of Neocopia, and then this power team is really cares, for all the members. So even I'm newbie here, I did it, because of this, pattern of this Neocopia power team. All of them are helping each other. So give it a chance, take action, and see you in our group, power team. Bye bye.